If you're a tech enthusiast looking to get Ubuntu on your Windows PC, buckle up, I've got you covered. First things first, you need to be running Windows 10 version 2004 or higher, or any version of Windows 11. Not sure if you meet the requirement? No worries. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type dism.exe/online/enable featurename Microsoft-Windows-Subsystem-Linux/all/norestart. Now stay with me. In the command prompt, type WSL, install and hit enter. Go ahead and restart your computer. This will enable the necessary settings and install Ubuntu. Once your system is back on, open the Start menu, find Ubuntu in your programs, and click on it. Boom! It should open up a command prompt. You'll be asked to set a new username and password for your virtual machine. Congrats! You've successfully installed Ubuntu on Windows using WSL. Want to try other Linux distros? Just type WSL, install D, and you're golden. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Happy coding! Enjoy your new Linux environment on Windows.